Are you looking for some of the cheapest houseplants and also some super cool tricks to acquire them for free? Plants are not cheap and they can cost you a lot if you don't know some of the tricks provided in this video. Cheapest houseplants. Cheapest houseplants refers to a category of indoor plants that are very popular, cost-effective to acquire, and easy to maintain. These plants can often be propagated from cuttings, division, or offsets, making it possible to grow new plants for free from an existing one. Some well-known cheapest houseplants around the globe are spider plant, pothos, snake plant, succulents, Leaf Philodendron, Aloe Vera, Jade plant, and peace lily. This way, a single investment to buy one plant or even a cutting from a friend's plant can produce multiple plants over time. This not only makes these types of houseplants economical, but also easy for sharing and expanding of your indoor garden without incurring additional costs. Popular examples include pothos, philodendron, spider plant, succulents, snake plant, lavender, Coleus, and Ficus species. You'll find some super cool tricks to acquire plants for free in this video. Number 1. Cuttings from friends and family. Ask for plant cuttings from the houseplants of friends and family members. This is not only free, but also a great way to share and bond over a mutual love for gardening. Number 2. Local swaps and exchanges. Participate in or organize local plant swap events. You can trade your plant cuttings or plants you don't want anymore for new, different varieties. Number 3. Discount sales and clearance. Keep an eye on sales or clearance events at garden centers and nurseries. Often, you can find plants at a significantly reduced price. Number 4. Join social media groups. Join plant swap or gardening groups on social media platforms like Facebook, Reddit, Instagram, or WhatsApp. These communities often post about free cuttings or plants available for trade. Number 5. E-commerce websites. Search on websites like eBay, OLX, or Craigslist for people giving away or selling plants at a low cost. Number 6. Propagate from grocery store produce. Use seeds or cuttings from fruits, herbs, and vegetables bought from the grocery store, almost free and can be a fun experiment to see what grows. Number 7. Local foraging. With permission, take cuttings from plants growing in public spaces. It's free and you might discover local species you hadn't considered before. Number 8. Volunteer at a nursery or botanical garden. Offer to volunteer at a local nursery in exchange for plants or cuttings. You can also register yourself in various gardening programs in a nearby botanical garden. Gain expertise while also expanding your plant collection for free. Number 9. Visit community gardens. Engage in your local community garden and trade plants with other members. Community gardens offer a plethora of plants and are usually open to exchanges among members. Number 10. Create a plant wish list and post online. Post a list of plants you wish to own on social media and ask if anyone has cuttings to share. You never know who might have the exact plant you're looking for and is willing to share. Number 11. Restaurant and cafe partnerships. Offer to take care of indoor plants in local restaurants or cafes in exchange for cuttings. Establish a symbiotic relationship while making public spaces greener. Number 12. Frequent garage sales and thrift stores. You'd be surprised to know the hidden treasures you can get at garage sales and thrift stores. People often sell unwanted houseplants, pots, and gardening supplies for a fraction of the cost. Number 13. Visit botanical garden sales. Many botanical gardens host annual plant sales to raise funds. These sales often feature a wide variety of plants, including rare and exotic ones, at affordable prices. Number 14. Plant rescue and discarded plants. Keep an eye out for discarded plants in your neighborhood. Sometimes people throw away perfectly healthy plants when they move or redecorate. Number 15. Offer your plant care services. Consider offering your plant care services to friends, families, or neighbors who might be going on vacation. In exchange, ask if you can take care of their plants while they're away, and perhaps they'll let you keep any cuttings that root during your care. We hope that you found these tips helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more plant-related content. Until next time, happy gardening!